Welcome back to Online Wisdoms. Today, we're diving into some of the most unique, untapped side hustles you probably haven't heard of. If you're tired of the same old recommendations, you're in for a treat. Get ready to discover side hustles so unique, they'll have you feeling like you've just unlocked some hidden life hacks. Each one includes step-by-step instructions, earning potential, and free ways to market yourself. So hit that like button and subscribe to the channel if you're ready to start making money with some seriously creative side gigs. Number 1. Voice Note Coach. Motivation at your fingertips. Imagine sending someone a quick motivational message that lights up their day. Voice Note coaches offer personalized audio boosts to help clients stay on track. How to get started. First, find your unique style. Are you a motivator, a comedian, or a personal productivity coach? Second, create some samples. Make 3 to 4 sample voice notes to show your style. Third, share for feedback. Post these samples on social media and ask friends to spread the word. Earning potential $10 to $30 per package of voice notes. Where to find clients. Productivity groups on Facebook, Instagram, and Reddit. Marketing tip run, a mini voice coach giveaway on your Instagram story to get more eyes on your services. Watch as people start sliding into your DMs. Don't forget to like this video if a voice note coach side hustle sounds fun. Number 2. Virtual bouncer for online communities. Be the peacekeeper in online communities. As a virtual bouncer, you'll help moderate groups to keep them troll-free. How to get started. First, identify your target groups. Sign up on platforms like Discord or Facebook, where communities often need extra help. Second, send a message to group admins. Let them know you're available to help with spam or trolling issues. Third, highlight your skills. Create a unique LinkedIn profile showcasing your new virtual bouncer role. Earning potential $10 to $25 per hour. Where to find clients. Reach out to group admins directly or search for freelance gigs on Upwork. Marketing tip: post a humorous bouncer for hire ad on LinkedIn, tagging group leaders or event hosts. Offering a quirky no-nonsense guarantee will get people's attention. If you've ever thought of being a troll-busting hero, smash that subscribe button. Number 3. Pet Cam Commentator. Pet owners are obsessed with what their pets are up to. As a pet cam commentator, you add a funny or insightful voiceover to pet cam footage. How to get started. First, create a few sample videos. Record yourself narrating footage of pets you own or ask friends. Second, market on social media. Pet-focused social platforms like Instagram or TikTok are great for sharing funny examples. Third, reach out to pet groups. Show off your work in Facebook groups or subreddits where pet parents hang out. Earning potential $15 to $50 per video. Where to find clients. Reddit's pet communities, local Facebook groups, or by contacting pet stores for partnerships. Marketing tip: start a best pet cam clip contest on your Instagram to gather footage. It's a fun way to attract potential clients and build your portfolio. If this sounds like the perfect job for pet lovers, drop a comment below and tell us your favorite pet's name. 4. Digital fortune cookie writer. Brands love unique fortunes or witty one-liners that they can slip into customer orders or Instagram captions. How to get started. First, brainstorm creative fortunes. Think of clever phrases like, "Your coffee holds the answers," and write 10 to 20 unique fortunes. Next, reach out to local cafes. Message small businesses with a few samples to show your skills. Then, sell on Etsy or Fiverr. Offer small packages of custom fortunes for brands or individuals. The earning potential $5 to $10 per fortune. Where to find clients. Small businesses, cafes, and Instagram accounts looking to spice up their brand. Here's a marketing tip. Create a Fortune of the Day series on Instagram and let followers tag brands who need your service. If you'd like to see more ideas like this, hit that bell icon to stay notified of our next video. 5. Social media bio specialist. Many brands and influencers struggle with that all-important first impression, their bio. Craft catchy, memorable bios that make people want to hit follow. How to get started? First, create a portfolio of before and after examples. Rewrite sample bios to show the difference you can make. Then offer a free bio makeover. Run a limited time offer to attract clients, then ask for testimonials. Next, show off your work. Share your transformations on Twitter or Instagram, tagging relevant brands or influencers. The earning potential? $20 to $50 per bio. Where to find clients. LinkedIn, Twitter, or Instagram. Here's a marketing tip. Run a bio bootcamp on Twitter and invite users to send their bios for a quick polish. Share your favorites to show what you can do. Smash that like button if you know someone who could use a new bio. 6. Dream Analysis Coach. Everyone has wild dreams, and many people want to know what they mean. As a dream analysis coach, you'll interpret dreams, blending psychology with storytelling. How to get started. 1. Learn common dream symbols. Familiarize yourself with popular dream interpretations. 2. Offer free readings. Start with 1 or 2 free dream analyses to get testimonials and refine your approach. 3. Market on spiritual or wellness groups. Join Facebook or Reddit groups where people discuss dreams. Earning potential. $15 to $40 per dream. Where to find clients? Facebook groups focused on spirituality, wellness, or even sleep. Marketing tip: hold a weirdest dream contest on Instagram and offer free interpretations for the craziest dreams submitted. Don't let this opportunity drift away like a dream. Subscribe for more. 7. Online Plant Doctor. Help plant parents diagnose issues like why their fiddle leaf fig is wilting or how to keep their succulents thriving. How to get started. 1. Create before and after shots of your plant work. Show how you've nursed plants back to health. 2. Answer plant questions in groups. Engage in Facebook groups or subreddits to build your expertise. 3. Offer online consultations. Use Instagram or TikTok to showcase your plant knowledge. Earning potential: $10 to $20 per consultation. Where to find clients? Gardening groups, local Facebook groups, and apps like Nextdoor. Marketing tip: host a plant emergency hotline on Instagram stories, inviting followers to send in plant pics. It's a fun way to get attention and demonstrate your skills. Like and subscribe if you've ever struggled to keep a plant alive. 8. Prompt Engineer for Beginners. As a prompt engineer, you teach beginners how to craft effective prompts for AI tools to get the best results. How to get started. 1. Create a simple prompt guide. Write a short PDF or create a tutorial for beginners. 2. Offer a free session. Host a prompt basics tutorial on social media to get people interested. 3. Share in AI forums. Engage in AI-focused communities where people want to learn how to improve their prompts. Earning potential: $20 to $100 per coaching session. Where to find clients? Facebook groups or LinkedIn. Marketing tip: run a prompt challenge on Twitter or Instagram and invite people to try it out. Offer a free session to the winner. If you're ready to prompt your way to profit, hit that subscribe button. And there you have it. These side hustles are the creative opportunities you've been waiting for to add a little extra cash to your pocket. Want to see more unique ways to make money? Subscribe to Online Wisdoms for the latest tips, strategies, and secret side hustles to unlock your earning potential. Drop a comment below and let us know which one of these hustles you're going to try first. Don't forget to hit that like button.